Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Volvo remote key fob. The first thing what we need to do is need to remove this blade here out of the bottom of the fob to gain access. So what we need to do is slide this pin over here to release the locking mechanism so we can remove the blade from the bottom, like so. Now we need to remove this cover here to gain access to the battery. So what I do is get a very small flathead screwdriver like this one, and back in the hole where your blade came out of, you pop the screwdriver and press upwards, which releases the catches along the side here, and it pops the cover open like so. And there is your key fob battery. We just get our screwdriver again and we just prise it from its home. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2430, like this one. We get our new key fob battery and we just simply pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing downwards, like that one, and we know it's in its correct location. Now it's time just to pop it back together. So you get the two halves of the case, and you just simply pop it, make sure it all lines up and clicks in place. Now it's time to pop the blade back in. And there you go. It's all done.